Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, then thank you. But if it's your first time stopping by, then hey, my name is Charmaine. I do videos on beauty, home decor, and lifestyle. And if you are enjoying my vibe, then please do hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So for today, I am planning to surprise my mom with a bedroom makeover. So I thought, why not go to Pip Home and pick up a few of their stuff and see what I can use for the bedroom transformation or bedroom surprise for my mom. I did pick up a few things and they were less than 600, I think. Yes, it's starting to look like Pip is expensive, but it's really not, because I did manage to pick up 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 things under 600, 15 items under 600. Imagine. Some of the things will be stuff for my house, but I thought I'd just squeeze them in here, this paper. Without wasting any of your time, let me just jump straight into the video, because I'm very excited, you guys. If I thought I was excited the last time, I am really excited for this time. But first item, I have everything this side. That's why you guys see me, I always look this side, but I'm so excited. Let me just grab the first thing and stop rambling. First of all, I've got this cute vase. It's brown. It's got it looks kind of like a pumpkin. The shape of it is oh, am I mad? It looks kind of like a pumpkin. It was $26.99. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. It was $26.99 from Pip. And then I'll be using that also. This one though will be for my house. I really did like this dark navy blue with this spikes or pyramids outside. It is very nice, and it's a bit taller than the one that I just showed you now. This one went for $29.99 at Pip. And then I got another vase. This one was also for my mom. It's also brown, and this one was $29.99. It is I think slightly taller than the pumpkin one, or maybe it could be the exact same size. I don't know, you guys tell me. Is it? No, this one I think it's a bit taller than this one, but I really did love. I didn't buy the same vase. Then I bought, I don't know what to call this, but I'm planning to put a candle, like a tea light candle in it, and this holds. You see there's holes in here. I think when there's a tea light candle in here and it's lit, it will look nice. It is a tea light holder. It is $29.99, and it is just this metal thing, and it's just spray painted gold. Then I got this two plants. It was $59.99. It is called a succulent in a pot. It went for $59.99. And then I got two of these. The plants do look a bit different, as you can see, but they're very nice. It is just this cement thing. It's like cement here, and then it's just painted gold, like a trim of gold paint. You see? Then it's very nice, very real looking. And then also I got this candles. They just called candles. I don't think they're scented though. I just specifically like this one because they came in a glass holder. So meaning when you're done burning your candles, you can still use that glass thing for something else. I don't know what. And then this went for $29.99. Then I got this. I already opened this, and I just opened it just now because I wanted to see it in the inside. It is just this brush holder. or it's just a plastic, it's called a plastic holder, and it went for $24.99 at Pep. You can really use it for anything. You can use it for your pens at work, or you can just use it for your brushes. And I'm planning to get another one for work, but for now I just really did love this. I really love the fact that it was clear also, because I am planning to redo my bedroom because I'm really not happy with it. I know I said I was happy with the outcome, but I really am thinking I should go for white paint. You just stay tuned and make sure you subscribe so that you can see another bedroom transformation, because, and I'm really not gonna do anything, like I'm not gonna do much to it. It's just that I want to paint my walls white. Then I got this exact same white flower bunches. I got 2 of them. You guys did see this in my previous Pep Home haul. It was just $29.99. I know my mom really did love this, so I thought I should also get her these. I got 2 of that, and then I also got this photo frame. This one was $12.99, and it looks very much like the one I also got from my previous Pep Home haul, but I got that one from Jet, and it was $19.99 on sale. $19.99. But I saw this one at Pep, and it was $12.99. It is white with gold trimming, and I also do not think that I will be removing the picture inside, because I really am loving it with the black background and the feather. I'm not going to remove it really. Then also I got this tray. It's my second favorite thing in this haul. I got this. It's like a tin ASMR. It's like a tin tray. It's like this big. I don't know how to measure it, but it's like this big. It's a tray. It's metal. It's black. It's got a little bit of dents. I don't know what to call it. It's like some sort of a texture on it. It was $59.99. It is written very lightly, so I don't think you guys will see it. Then I got this plate. I'm also going to use this one for a tray. It is just this dark brown plate with a teal blue or green peeping through. I don't think you guys can see it, but it is very nice. I really enjoy using this plates for trays rather. They're very nice. You see that not even straight on the top, like the rim of it is not straight. It's just, I don't know, it's nice. I don't know how to describe it. And then my ultimate favorite things that I got from Pep was this placemat, right? Yeah, it's a placemat. I got 2 of these, one for me and also one for my mom. I got this for $49.99, and it is just this woven placemat, and it has wool. It's black and white wool in the middle with this I forgot what it's called. Straw. Yeah, it's a straw, a woven straw. Yes, and I feel like it is very nice. I'm gonna use it somehow. I don't know how. I just need something with height. Let's say I'm gonna use it like this, and then I put something with height, and then I don't know if I'm gonna use a photo frame or anything, but I'm still looking for stuff. I don't know where I will find it, but yeah, it's pretty much it what I got from Pep. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video.